How to create purchase and check the status. So we have to install purchase module first. So go in purchased dashboard. So just create a new purchased, select the vendor name, let's say Smith, let's say 1234, let's say currency INR. Just purchase the product we want. Let's say cheese we want to purchase like 100 quantities in dozens, and price will be 150, and just confirm order. Go in purchased. We can check status from here, like purchased order. So buyer is administrator. This is how we can create a purchase and check the status.